It's the information that you don't know that always seems to hurt the most. Connect with OnLink, and you suddenly have answers to what's on your mind right at your fingertips. If keeping ahead of the weather is a preoccupation, no problem. If knowing who is mowing where is difficult to manage, we got your back. If a sudden change in priorities is disruptive and confusing, you can manage with clarity and communicate simply and easily. Access is at your fingertips. If seeing how far the crew has gotten on the front nine greens is a drive-by, you can look here instead, from wherever you are. And if keeping track of fleet maintenance is complicated, confusing, and frustrating, put your mind at ease, connect, and keep it straight. If balancing hours more evenly across your entire crew is usually done on Post-it notes, we'll help you bring it all together. If accounting for costs involves the creation of time-consuming, complicated reports, we can help with that too. In short, if it's on your mind, it's OnLink. Connect.